At the Home Depot, we've made it easy to order online, right from our app, right from your house. We can have it ready and waiting the same day for faster pickup, save time and stress. Or if you can't make it to the store, rest easy.
Welcome back, friends. I've been waiting for this to come in for a while. That way I can finish my Atticfoil. I think the last time we spoke, though, or the last I was on video, that is, I said I was going to do the gable ends. So I got those done, but I ran out of staples. So here we go. We can finally finish this. Oh, and if you're curious about this storage, check out my other video. I'll leave the link over there, or up there, or down there. Kind of tight up here.
right here?
Are you actually getting anything?
A little bit.
So guys, here's the gable end. Recently, while I was waiting on those staples, I added furring strips to the bottom of all these trusses because I didn't want to lose my storage while insulating this, and I wanted every square foot accessible easily. So I came up with this idea. I got foam insulating board. It's not specifically made for ceilings, so it's probably not the code, but I'm not selling this place. It's just a workshop. I got like 3/4 of an inch overhang on each side from the 1 by 3 by 3/4 inch furring strips. I didn't worry about sanding anything. If I finish it, it'll be later. And this stuff is basically styrofoam. It is paintable, but you have to use latex or water-based paint. But it's already warmed up the shop some. And all I have to do to remove panels is tilt up one side, and then the other side will come down. Now, of course, I've got OSB here for extra storage items all the way across. So my access points is going to be where I'm at right now. I've used 10 boards so far, and I need 12 more, and I'll have a half a sheet left over, half a panel. So this is my waist. I glued this little plank together, so I probably could get by with 11, but that's going to be awful ugly up there unless I do the edges. My next step is going to be rewiring the shop, insulating the walls, putting probably plywood up. Some areas I will have pegboard, and others I'll probably do French cleats. Just to give you guys an idea of the difference this makes. This is the south side of my workshop. The gable ends, temperature is reading 57 right there, 57. It's going up here, 58, up to the ceiling, 57.5, and then that south facing wall is 64.4, 65. Let's do the west facing wall, 68. The sun is in the west right now. That might be a better idea. 68. And let's check that ceiling or that attic face right there. So 57. So about 10 degrees difference. In the winter, that may not be absolutely ideal until I get all this insulation up. But in the summertime, when it's blazing in here, 104 degrees, it's gonna make all the difference, I bet. So guys, I hope you found this beneficial. So far, it's made a huge difference in my shop. When I run the kerosene heater until I get electric heat anyway, it keeps it a more workable space. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment below with any questions you may have, and while you're at it, share with somebody, and also check out this video that I'll post right over here of this dust collector that I modified to mount it to the wall and save a lot of floor space. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care, and God bless.